Hey guys, the launch date of the Fold 4 has been confirmed, and it's gonna launch a little bit sooner than the Fold 3 did last year. And the Galaxy Buds Pro 2 that was supposed to launch alongside the Fold 4 and Flip 4 is most likely gonna be delayed. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon if you haven't to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So the launch date of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 was recently leaked by John Prosser, and considering the accuracy of John's previous Samsung event leaks, I would say we take this seriously. According to John, the Unpacked event for the Fold 4 and Flip 4 is gonna be on the 10th of August, which is pretty close at just about 2 months away. And with the Unpacked event, the devices are also gonna be available for pre-order immediately, with general availability in stores being on the 26th of August. Now, Ice Universe also leaked another case of the Fold 4, comparing it to the Fold 3. We've previously seen a case leak comparison from Ice Universe showing the difference in aspect ratio between the Fold 3 and Fold 4. But this one is more obvious. We can clearly see the outer display is a little wider on the Fold 4 compared to the Fold 3, which is gonna make for a normal smartphone experience when closed. And it's also been confirmed that the hinge on the Fold 4 is gonna be a little bit smaller than the Fold 3, which should also reduce the form factor, so when the phone is closed, it's most likely gonna be shot flat with little to no gap at the center. Now, Samsung was gonna launch its next generation Pro wireless earbuds, the Buds Pro 2, alongside the Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4, but it turns out that's not gonna be the case. According to a tipster, the Buds Pro 2 could be slightly delayed for a few days, but the date hasn't been confirmed yet, so I'll take this with a grain of salt. Anyway, we're gonna get more information as we get closer to the Unpacked event, so definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. And be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.